Hello guys, this is Ubairgo from Kima Dev. What is Ubairgo? Well, Ubairgo is a real estate management software developed by Kima Dev team and highly protected by Google. We are going to look into some key features of Ubairgo right here. First of all, we are on the login screen. Either a tenant or a landlord can sign up on Ubairgo and keep records of his apartment, his houses, and the rest. On the sign-in screen, you can see user can sign in with his house ID and password, or user can decide to skip if you're a guest to the system. Well, let's sign in here as Ubairgo. Well, we sign in here. On Ubairgo, when you are signing as a landlord or tenant, I believe here I'm signing as a landlord. I have some houses within my own dashboard. On the dashboard, you can see there's a notice board here at the top. On top of the notice board pane, users within the system actually see notice information, broadcast information within the system at their own reach. And then on the pane here, left pane, you can see there's a support agent where user can chat with support, call, or communicate with support. But let's come back here to the houses pane. On the pane here, the houses pane, you can see we have plot 804, plot 732, plot 202. Let's click on plot 804. On plot 804, we can see it's occupied, meaning it's occupied by either a tenant or sold to a new landlord. Current status of this plot is occupied. You can see the details of the plot, the short details of it. You can view the full details here. You can see its gallery, the images of the house, fully furnished, duplex, 5 bedrooms, 6 toilets, 2 kitchens, one swimming pool. All right, basically this is just a dashboard where you can have a quick access to houses that are under your control as a landlord or as a caretaker signing on the system. Then we dive in here to the explore. On the explore menu here, you actually see houses for sale, for rent, or for lease within Ubairgo estate. Within the Ubairgo real estate management software, you can see those houses that are occupied or those that are for sale, those are for rent. You can see their details, the amount of the house per year or the amount to be sold or per annum, anyone. Then on the explore here, you can dive into more and see how to pay. If you need to pay a house or you need a quick tour of the house, you can communicate with either a realtor, a verified realtor here, or a engineer. That's if you need to continue a work project within the Ubairgo estate. If you need to continue a building project and you have your engineer here, you have your realtor. If you need a house for a rent or to buy, or you need a design for your plot, you have an architect, the verified architect to chat in and communicate with. Let's see Fatima here. She's a realtor and we have some communication going on with her about to visit the house. We are going to dive there into that. So these are just verified agents within the system. Then on the pane here, we have our messenger system. On the messenger system, keep track of agents or emergency support or Ubairgo agent support that you chat with. The recent chats you have, as you can see here, it's the recent chat we have with Fatima, the realtor, but this is basically the messenger. So we talked about the dashboard, we talked about the explore where you get to see houses for sale, for lease, for rent, and then we talked about the verified agents, which is here. Then we talked about the messenger that gives you a quick access to people you recently chat with and continue communicating. In case if you need to call, you can call that agent directly from the software. Then we have the emergency pane. on the emergency pane, you keep there's a record. Okay, there's an emergency for hospital and a quick access to police station, a quick access to civil defense station, a quick access to estate security post. If you need a security, or if you need to give a security update, or you need quick help, you can easily come to the emergency support. Let's say like you need a help with the hospital, you can click, you can call a doctor, explain to them, or an assistant within the hospital, explain to them what's happening, or you need an ambulance emergency to your plot, your house number, anyone, or the police, you need a quick assistant with the police and emergency assistant. You can easily place a call directly, and it gives them record of your house number and when to house number, and they will respond to you immediately. Then if you need a drug prescribed to you by either a pharmacist, you need to talk to someone within the pharmacies, you can talk to them here. That's great. This a quick overview of the Ubairgo real estate management software. Then we'll talk about more on the administrative part and how to purchase the houses on a later video I'm going to do. All right, take care all, and my regards to Mosaic. All right, before I go, let me give a brief on the it's actually a responsive web software, and you can easily install it on your mobile devices, Android, tablet, and so on. Right, this is okay. This is just how responsive it is, and then okay, let's go back and view some of its features while it's unresponsive. As you can see here, as you can see, people you chat to, and so on. Basically, this is just a quick overview of the Ubairgo. Then we'll talk on the next video. Thanks everyone, and have a nice day.